Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's powerful sloka is for protection and prosperity. Apadamapahartaram. This is a beautiful sloka praising Lord Rama. Chanting this sloka brings protection, wealth and divine grace. Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvasampada Lokabhiramam Sriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvasampada Lokabhiramam Sriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. Meaning of the sloka. Apadamapahartaram, the remover of difficulties and troubles. Dataram Sarvasampadam, the giver of all wealth and prosperity. Lokabhiramam Sriramam, Lord Rama, the delight of the universe. Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham, I bow to him again and again. Full meaning. I bow again and again to Lord Sri Rama, who removes all troubles, grants prosperity, and brings joy to the world. Namaste.